Welcome back to Trevor Artist. Ever wonder how to transform a simple photo into a stunning watercolor piece like this? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around and I'll reveal the secret. Picture this, Hong Kong, a city bustling with life. I found inspiration in the vibrant flowers market, especially these narcissus blooms, adored during the Lunar New Year. Today I'll be showing you how I brought them to life on paper. Let's dive in. First, I strategically map out the composition. Since narcissus is white, I'll use negative painting to make them shine. Focus on the center, that's where the magic happens. My first wash, a warm alizarin crimson and burnt sienna mix, sets the tone. Wash closely. As I move on to the leaves, I mix custom greens for a natural look. No artificial greens here. I experiment on my palette, ensuring the color interact harmoniously. Darker greens come to life with cooler blues and thicker pigment. It's all about balance. To infuse vibrancy, I use chromatic yellows and subtle shifts in hue. Then I introduce cooler tones with a touch of purple neutralized by browns. Darker spots are then deepened with a mix of dark browns and blues. Precision is key, and I switch to a smaller brush for those final accents. Voila! The transformation is complete. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please share them in the comments below. Once again, thank you for joining me on this artistic journey. Until next time, keep painting, keep creating, and let your imagination bloom.